What is going on, everybody? I hope everyone's enjoying their Tuesday. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Black Apino the Apple Guy, and my channel specializes in tech tutorials, unboxings, and vloggings. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Lume Cube Air. Now, I first heard about these when I attended Vidcon. I believe it was around 2017, I believe is when it was, when they had the Lume Cube out. Basically, it's a portable light. Obviously, there's a lot of them out there. But what I loved about this was the fact that it's small and it was compact, and for what it could do in terms of smallness, it was actually pretty impressive. But I kind of went against my better judgment, and I bought the a different LED light, which is, there's nothing wrong with that one that I bought. I did a video for that unboxing as well. It's just that it's a little bit big, whereas this one is actually really, really small. This one is called the Lume Cube Air. So it comes with its own suction cup, which means you can basically mount this to pretty much any device you want, whether it's a tablet, a smartphone, or your own desktop or laptop, which is actually kind of cool. The fact that it's that portable, and it's also magnetic, so it can actually connect. You can actually use it as an external light source for, say, any projects you want to do on your car and you needed a light, but you don't want a flashlight. From what I understand, it does have the magnetic piece that you can literally just strap on and it just lights. It's actually pretty cool. And it also comes with two diffusers, which I've actually never really used a diffuser ever. I'm just used to using just the regular lights. If it's too bright, then I have to keep pressing the settings on it like I do on this one. But the difference between the one I have in the back and this one is app control. So I actually have more control over this than just simply just pressing the button. And this also has the ability that I can actually add this to a hot shoot and mount it either on my camera, or I can mount it on any other device that I want to and use it as a portable light source. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into the unboxing of this, and then to show you what comes with it. And yeah. And now I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Lume Cube Air. So as you can see, it can be app control, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to get these from the day I saw them, was because I don't have to worry about pressing any dials or any buttons, especially if I'm setting it up in a spot and I may decide I want to change the lighting a little when I'm doing it. This allows me from the app to do it without having to actually physically go and handle the light. And again, as it sees here, it's good for FaceTime, video chatting. It's pretty much a portable light that's good for pretty much any reason you need to use it for. And as you can see, it comes with two types of diffusers. This one comes with a soft light and a softer white light. So basically, like in my room, in my situation, say the light is not bright enough, or I want to match the brightness of the light that I have on my lamp, I can simply just use a diffuser and then kind of adjust it via the app and allow me to get the kind of same soft light without it being too overly exposed and me looking super, bright, and my face is kind of being overly exposed. So that's cool. My other one did not have that. I did manage to prop it open just to take a look at it, but I didn't actually pull anything out just quite yet. So we're going to take this out and then just kind of see what it is together. So as you can see, this is one diffuser, soft white. Looks like it just simply clamps on to the top of the Lume Cube. And then you have the other one. This is the softer white one. They're made of plastic, rubber-ish kind, but they're really flexible, so you can kind of squeeze them and push them in. Not that you should, but basically you could if you had like a tight, cramped space you need to put them in. Just stuff them in there, and it'd be totally fine. So stick that to the side. And then we're going to get to the cube and the suction cup itself. So it does come with a sort of a kind of GoPro-ish kind of suction mount. The suction part is a little bit more stickier than it would be on the GoPro version. I'm assuming it's because when you use one of these and you want to stick it, as you can see, it says you can stick it on your mobile phone, your tablet, or your desktop or laptop. I would imagine that with this kind of a more stickier, suction, it manages to stick on a little bit better, I guess. I'm not really sure. But yeah, it looks like when you just want to unsuction it, you just simply push the lever up, and then when you want to suction it down, you just that. And what I mean by GoPro-ish, I mean as in you simply can just, it looks like it's just a simple, you just unscrew that. That pulls out, and then again, you could probably mount this on, like I said, any other GoPro mount that you wanted to do if you wanted to do that. But we're just going to leave it in there as it is. I'm actually going to be using this in another YouTube video that I'll be posting up in another week or so. How you can turn your iPhone into its very own desk-mounted video setup. So basically, you don't really need a DSLR camera or a mirrorless camera. Simple light solution like this with your iPhone and a pretty good, decent tripod, and you have yourself a pretty good makings of a video vlogging setup. And so stay tuned for that one. I will have that one posted in a week or so after this one has been posted up. So it does come threaded, which is kind of cool, which I love, because what I mean by threaded is basically you can thread this onto any tripod mount that you want, because it has the thread and has a little piece right here that you can thread off, and you can actually add more than one piece of device to it. I think they're called like a V-rig is what it would be called, where you can literally just attach a small rig to this, and then you can have a light sitting like here, and then a mic there, and then you just kind of just sit that on, and that gets to act like it's like a top cover for it to keep it from moving. It's actually pretty cool. I have not yet used one of those. I'm actually probably thinking about using it for my camera. I'm not really sure just quite yet. So, but that's the mount in itself. And then we're just going to go kind of into the cube itself. Simple on and off button right there. You probably might not be able to see it, but there is an on and off button. Simple, like one click, I guess is how that works. This is supposed to be a magnetic part right here, so you can literally connect that to anything magnetic and it'll stick, which is actually kind of cool, because you can use it's more versatile than just using it for your videography or for photos. You can actually, if there's a spot you want to stick it that you can't really put a tripod to, but it's a magnetic spot, simply just stick that up to it, stick that up to the magnetic part of the whatever you need to plug it into. Simply hit the one button and typically it'll come on. And then again, you can control the brightness and all of that from the Lume Cube app. So again, this is a pretty cool multi-purpose. And looks like you have a little door here. Simply click that, and then there is a, can't see it because the camera doesn't really display it that well. It might, but there is a micro USB plug-in for this. So it comes with a micro USB plug-in. So obviously this is going to be charged via micro USB. So that's actually pretty cool. So pop this open, and yep, as you can see, simple micro USB right there. See if I can focus that. Focus, probably not, it won't let me focus. That's the one thing that Panasonic needs to work on, is the focus. It doesn't work as fast as other cameras, but again, it's not bad. But yes, as you can see, it is a micro USB type connection, so it's pretty versatile. So you don't need to worry about putting in batteries to plug it in. You simply take this along with your battery packs and you can plug that in, and that's pretty much how that works. And then you have obviously the manual, kind of shows you how to turn things on. Obviously, you know, how you can make some accessories. So I'm actually going to be ordering one or two of these for the camera. And yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing of the Lume Cube Air. And again, like I said before, I will have a video on a iPhone DIY setup that you can use with just your iPhone, a simple tripod, and this all together, and you have yourself a makings of a pretty good videography type setup, where you don't really need a DSLR camera or mirrorless camera. You can do it all from your phone. Simple lights, tripod, good microphone, and that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for that video because I will have this on that, and that is it. So if this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell notification, that way you never miss content, hit the subscribe button, and I want to thank everybody for watching this, and have a great week.